Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to two Bootstrap dependencies. What is a dependency? A dependency is when a software relies on other software in order to perform some of its functionalities. Bootstrap has certain features which relies on two key dependencies. The dependencies are jQuery and Popper.js. What is jQuery? jQuery is a JavaScript library that simplifies the use of JavaScript. It enables you to write less code and do more. jQuery makes it much easier to use JavaScript on your website. What is Popper.js? Popper.js is a positioning engine. It is basically used to calculate the position of an element inside an HTML document. jQuery does not come built into Bootstrap. You'll have to download it and install it separately. To install or download jQuery, you need to visit the link displayed on the screen. To install or download Popper.js, you need to visit the link displayed on the screen. This is the jQuery website. So to get jQuery onto your project, you have to download it. So there is a download button here. I'm going to click on download, and that will give you the page where you can download jQuery. There are different aspects of jQuery you can download depending on what you want to use it for. I'm going to download the compressed production jQuery slim build. The slim build is a more compact version than this one here, the compressed production jQuery. So to download it, you just right click and there's an option to save the link as, and that will prompt you for a download location, and just click save, and that will save that. You can see it being downloaded. So it will download it in my downloads folder. So if I just go to my downloads folder, you can see here, this is the slim build version, just 70 KB. So what I'm going to do, I am going to right click that from my downloads directory. I'm going to copy this jQuery I've just downloaded and paste that into my Bootstrap folder. I've got a folder I created called BS, where I keep all the Bootstrap files that I need. This is the website for Popper.js. To install Popper.js, you use npm. npm stands for Node Package Manager. So you need to have Node pre-installed on your machine before you can use the Node Package Manager to install Popper.js. Feel free to read through the documentation on this page so you know more about Popper.js. I have already downloaded what I need from Popper.js. Inside my folder I created called BS, which stands for Bootstrap. I've got Popper.min. I've also got other minified versions of Bootstrap files and also jQuery. So these files are going to be available for you to download under the resource page for this video. In this video, I introduced you to two Bootstrap dependencies, jQuery and Popper.js. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.